Are Hubcentric wheel spacers better for Jeep? When shopping for Jeep wheel spacers, Hubcentric sets are the priority. A Hubcentric wheel spacers come with a middle center ring, which is specially machined to fit a vehicle hub. Most modern car wheel hubs are the multi-layers, meaning a single-layer Hubcentric rings may not fit perfectly. BONOSS Jeep wheel spacers are designed with better multi-stage Hubcentric rings. The multi-layer design provides the ability to fit the corresponding hub spacers. This eliminates any potential gap, ensuring a perfect installation. As a reliable, precise Hubcentric wheel spacers manufacturer, BONOSS is always maintaining the highest quality and best fitment. For connecting parts, the higher the precision, the better the performance. The amount of the tolerance reflects the precision. The correct installation is quite important. Begin by safely lifting the vehicle and removing the wheels. Next, clean the wheel hub and attach the wheel spacer to the hub. Secured by the lock nut, use wheel spacer with grade 12.9 stud. Each provides higher strength than 10.91. The forged aluminum alloy will have a denser structure and better performance than casting ones, mainly in terms of tensile strength, yield strength, and proof load data. The advantage of choosing BONOSS wheel spacers is that the hot anodizing process on the surface of the material brings better corrosion resistance and prevent rusting. Then reattach the wheels, tighten the original nut to the wheel, and lower the vehicle back to the ground. And you can take a look at the difference before and after installing the wheel spacers. The wheels sit flush with the fenders after the installation, giving your Jeep a more aggressive and sporty appearance. If you want to get these BONOSS wheel spacers, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye!